What's up world, I'm Nazim Saliji, and today I got a package in from eBay. I got a pair of shoes that I've been wanting to get my hands on for a very long time, and I finally pulled the trigger. I was looking at prices on GOAT, and I think it was going to be like $900, $950 for this one pair of shoes. And I was kind of shopping around on eBay, and I found one for a little bit less, and hopefully I didn't get the fake pair. If you're new to the channel, consider smashing that sub button. And if you like this video, consider smashing that like button. I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing, guys. It's one pair of shoes, and I'm super excited to get this open for you guys. I've wanted this shoe for so long, and I just hope it's the real thing. I hope it's the real deal, and it wasn't too good to be true, because like I said, I paid just a little bit less than what they were going for on GOAT, and I pulled the trigger. So we'll see what I got here. Try to get them open for you guys in a timely fashion. This one's got a lot of tape on it, but I think I got it. Alright, you just threw the lace bags in here, but I did watch a bunch of fake versus real pairs on YouTube, and as far as these lace bags goes, these look good because they're skinnier and longer bags, and that's a good sign. That's a good sign right off the bat. So let's just put this down here and pull out the box, and here's the box, guys. Maybe you know what the holes are, maybe you don't, but I finally got these, guys. These are so awesome. I'm so excited. These things are so sick. So here's the Jumpman plastic. I don't know if you guys can see it. I gotta put my hand behind it so you guys can see it. But let's lift these up, and boom, look at these bad boys. Look at these bad boys. It is the Off-White Air Jordan 5. These things are so sick, you guys. You got the Off-White black tag right here on the side. You got the reflective tongue with the Jumpman on the tongue. Got the hole on the tongue right here. Nike Air on the back, shoelaces on the laces, Jumpman on the bottom with a yellow aged look. These things are so sick. So if I'm going to compare my shoes to some of the real or fake videos, I'm already seeing some really good signs, and it's kind of a relief because I was super worried. But on the real pairs, there's like extra material hanging off the shoe, and that, like on the fake pairs, there is no extra material, so that's a good sign. I know there's the holder on the inside. Yep, the holder on the inside, if it has tissue around it, that means it's a real pair. Another sign that they're real. Let me pull out the insole, and hopefully they're black, because if they're white, I'm gonna be worried. Yes, so yes, they're black, and that means it's another sign that they're real. And then there's black, like a black stamp on the inside. It's really hard to see. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's supposed to be like some black ink stamp on the inside there, and also black strings taped to the bottom of the shoe, which there is. It's really hard to see, but everything that I'm seeing so far, these are real, you guys. And I think I got a steal on these. Like, not a huge steal, but if I don't wear them, I know I can resell them and get like basically the same amount that I spent on them, and that's really hard to do, to get them, you know, for like a low price, and then be able to flip them and be able to get the same amount back. So this is awesome. These things are so sick, man. The speckled teeth, the circles here, which you can cut out or leave depending on your style. The back, the Nike Air is like more of a cream color, and that's a good sign that they're real. I know on the fake pair they're like really white. It's more white. The laces, I think they said if the laces were like more of a skinny and longer print, they're fake, but these cover like the entire, it covers the entire lace. So far so good. I mean, I'm seeing everything that I'm seeing so far. These things are real. These things are checking out, and I think I paid 800 with shipping, maybe 850. Maybe they were like 820 or 830 plus $30. I forget exactly. I think I paid 850 altogether. And if I sold these on Go, I'd probably get that same amount back. But I think these things are going to go up in time. I think I'm going to sit on them. I'm not going to wear them right away. Although I'm very tempted to wear them. They're my size. I got them in a 9.5, and these things are flames. These things are so nice, you guys. I didn't realize how nice. They're so much nicer in person. It's got the these materials, man. These materials are so nice. It's like a flexible, like I don't even know what to call it. It's like a mesh. Anyway, you guys, tell me what you think about these videos in the comments. I'm investing everything I got in this channel, you guys, and I'm just trying to bring you guys as much good content as I can, and be very appreciative if you guys drop the like or subscribe. So let me know what you think in the comments about these shoes, the Off-White Jordan 5s. They are just, it's a grail. It's kind of like a grail sneaker, even though they're not like really expensive. They are really expensive, but like compared to some other shoes that are like 20, 30, 40, 50, I don't know, there's so much more expensive shoes. These are like a little bit under $1,000, which is still stupid for one pair of shoes. But I finally pulled the trigger on them, you guys, and I can't believe I kind of have them in front of me. So anyway, thank you for rocking with me, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed unboxing it for you guys. For the next video, I have another banger coming. So you guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Ta 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 ta.